still good?
Yes, mom.
Let's just go to the hospital. If you're not taken to the hospital, it would get worse.
Okay.
Good morning, nurse.
Hello ma'am, good morning. Is there anything I can help?
Well, my daughter has been having a cough lately and it doesn't go away.
Alright ma'am, before that I want to ask if your child has been treated here before ma'am?
Never.
Okay, if you have one, you can register first. What is the name of your child?
Her name is Siska Aurora Nabila Gusi.
Okay, how old is your daughter now?
She is 19 years old.
Okay, next ma'am. You can tell me your address.
Address is Chibasi Housing, Sumedang Regency.
Okay ma'am, I will register it first.
Okay.
Ma'am, the registration has been complete. Here is the registration number. Then Mrs. K may follow me first to check the vital signs. After the checking the vital signs, you can wait in the waiting room to have further examination with the doctor.
Okay. Okay, nurse. Thank you.
Do you have any complaints?
Yes, my daughter has a productive cough and it didn't get better.
Yes, doctor. I have a cough for a week. I've taken medicine, but there is no change.
Mrs. Ka, could you tell me about the frequency of the cough? And does the cough appear every time?
Yes, doctor. Especially when the weather is cold.
Okay. Mrs. Ka, what is the quality of the cough like? Is it white fire or not?
Yes, doctor. My chest is hard when I cough.
Can you explain that it feels in any part? Is it only in the chest or does it also hurt in other parts?
No, doctor. Only my chest.
Okay, for the pain scale, if I give it a number from 1 until 5 to describe the pain, what is the number?
I think it's about 3.
Okay, alright, Mrs. Ka. Can you lie down first for an examination? Okay, for the result of the examination, there is phlegm that collect in the chest and there is hair on cheek. The fetal sign examination was also carried out by the nurse. For all, results are normal except for your heart rate is 110 times per minute. So I will write a prescription for the medicine first.
Okay, doctor.
Okay. I have prescribed the medicine to Mrs. K. After this, you may immediately meet the nurse for health education related to how to treat cough in the anggrek room. Furthermore, after the educational session, you was allowed to take the medicine there. I had prescribed at the hospital pharmacy.
Thank you, doctor.
My pleasure, Mrs. K. I hope you get well soon.
Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
Mrs. Ka, let me introduce myself. I'm Nurse Hulan. I'm on duty at Anggrek Room from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. Can we talk for a moment?
Hello, nurse. Here.
Okay, where do you want the place to be and how long will it take?
Do you mind if in this room and for 15 minutes?
Okay, then let's start right now. Mrs. Ka, as the doctor said, you are currently experiencing a cough with phlegm. So for that, there is something you need to know how to expel your phlegm from the respiratory cavity. For its name, it is an effective coughing exercise.
The principle in effective cough intervention is to provide an education with demonstration to patients to be able to cough effectively and be able to remove secretion in their airways independently and effectively.
Have you heard of it?
No, doctor. I don't understand about that.
Okay, then I will teach you now. So, an effective coughing technique is a good cough technique method.
The goals of effective cough is to increase the mobilization of secretion and prevent high-risk retention of secretion, pneumonia, atelectasis, and fever. Giving coughing exercise effectively implemented especially on clients with cleaning nursing problems, an ineffective airway, and a high risk of respiratory tract infection. The lower part associated with the accumulation of secretion in the airways, which is often caused by decreased ability to cough.
Expel phlegm and can be done alone when you feel a lot of phlegm. To do this, you don't need a lot of tools and only need to provide a place to get rid of phlegm.
Effective cough exercise step. Inhale deeply through the nose, hold for 2 seconds, then exhale through the mouth. Do it for 3 until 5 times. When you inhale for the 3rd time, exhale through your mouth accompanied by coughing. Provide a sputum pot or small container to collect phlegm or mucus.
The first step that must be taken when you begin coughing effectively is to take a deep breath in through the nose and then hold it for 2 seconds and then exhale through the mouth. You have to do this deep breath 3 times with the last deep breath accompanied by coughing. So after effective coughing, your phlegm will be easier to come out.
Okay, nurse, I understand.
Okay, well, now could you practice it again with me, please?
Sure. Coughing.
Okay, good job, Mrs. Sky. You are doing very well about effective coughing technique. Now, do you have questions or anything you will ask me about effective coughing technique?
No, nurse, I don't.
Okay, alright. Other than effective coughing technique, there are a few things you must know. There are some foods that need to be reduced when you have a cough. So that the cough doesn't get worse, first you have to control oily food and spicy food. And then you have to consume medicine that have been prescribed by a doctor.
Okay, nurse, thank you.
Mrs. Ka, so do you have any questions or something that isn't clear?
No, nurse, I don't. Please understand.
Okay, if it's enough, could you please tell me about what I've explained to you to cope with the coughs?
You've been explained how to reduce my cough. It's like to reduce spicy food, and then I have to take my medicine regularly.
Okay, then because you already understand this, you can come to administration area. After that, you can take medicine.
Good morning, miss. I want to redeem the medicine according to the doctor's prescription.
Hello, good morning, ma'am. Okay, please wait first.
Okay.
Mrs. Ka. Okay, miss, the medicine is ready. Here is the Ambroxol to drink 3 times a day after meal. And this is Cafipex medicine to be eaten once a day and can be eaten after or before meals. So this is your medicine. I hope you get well soon. Thank you. Yes, you're welcome.